Have you ever wondered how your favorite perfume is crafted? Every drop is a blend of art, science, and magic, made in state-of-the-art fragrance factories where creativity meets technology. Today, we'll take you behind the scenes of a perfume factory where enchanting scents are born. From exotic ingredients to the final bottled masterpiece, this journey will change the way you look at your favorite fragrance forever. Perfume has been a symbol of elegance, luxury, and personal expression for centuries. But what makes a fragrance so captivating? It's not just the scent, it's the story behind it. The journey of creating a perfume begins long before it reaches the shelves. It starts in a factory where the finest raw materials, groundbreaking technology, and creative minds come together to create olfactory masterpieces. Every perfume starts with a vision, often inspired by nature, art, or culture. Fragrance houses employ master perfumers, also known as noses, who conceptualize the essence of a scent. These experts use their highly trained sense of smell to blend ingredients into a unique aroma. Whether it's inspired by a field of blooming roses, a fresh ocean breeze, or even the smell of rain on a forest floor, the inspiration sets the tone for the journey ahead. The magic of perfume lies in its ingredients. Factories source exotic and rare raw materials from around the globe. Jasmine from India, sandalwood from Australia, vanilla from Madagascar, and citrus fruits from Italy. Natural oils are extracted through processes like steam distillation or cold pressing. Alongside natural elements, synthetic molecules are crafted in laboratories to replicate or enhance rare scents that are too costly or difficult to harvest naturally, like ambergris or musk. Once the ingredients are ready, they're sent to the blending room, the heart of the perfume factory. This is where perfumers meticulously mix base notes, the foundation of the fragrance, middle notes, the core of the scent, and top notes, the initial impression. Using precise measurements, they create hundreds of iterations until they find the perfect balance. Each blend is aged for weeks or even months to allow the scents to mature, ensuring the final fragrance is harmonious and long-lasting. In the factory's lab, scientists analyze the blends for stability, safety, and longevity. Perfumes must maintain their integrity under various conditions: heat, cold, or exposure to light. Cutting-edge technology ensures that every batch of perfume meets the highest quality standards. Specialized machines measure the exact molecular composition of the fragrance, ensuring consistency in every bottle. Once the fragrance formula is finalized, it's time to package the magic. Factories use high-precision bottling machines to fill and seal bottles with minimal waste. Perfume bottles are often as luxurious as the scent they hold, featuring intricate designs, engraved logos, and decorative caps. Robotic arms carefully handle these delicate containers, ensuring each one is filled to perfection. Before perfumes leave the factory, they undergo rigorous quality control checks. Workers inspect every bottle for leaks, defects, or inconsistencies. Random samples are sprayed to ensure the scent matches the original formulation. This step guarantees that customers receive a flawless product that lives up to the brand's reputation. Perfume packaging is an art in itself, designed to captivate customers at first glance. Boxes are printed with vibrant colors, embossed logos, and intricate patterns. Once packaged, perfumes are stacked onto pallets and prepared for shipping. Whether they're heading to luxury boutiques, department stores, or online retailers, the journey from the factory to the consumer is carefully managed. What sets perfumes apart from other products is their ability to evoke emotions and memories. A fragrance can transport you to a specific moment in time, remind you of a loved one, or even boost your confidence. Perfumers understand this emotional connection and craft scents that resonate deeply with people. Perfume is more than just a scent, it's a story in a bottle. What's your signature fragrance and what memory does it bring back? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more behind-the-scenes stories of the world's most fascinating products.